I put in a little paprika, and like I mentioned to you, that is salsa. I'm going to blend it with my noodles. I just like saying noodles like that. My noodles, just to give it that flavor, and we're going to drain the water. I'm going to add some brown sugar to it because it's going to mix really well with the heat I added from the paprika. All right, more to come. Okay, so I added onions. White onions are really sweet, and I added mushrooms. Mushrooms make you feel like you're eating meat, and they're also really good for you. So we have the brown sugar, we have pepper, we have Spanish paprika, to be honest with you. I never really tried it, but it actually tastes not as hot as paprika. So I added fresh ground pepper. I like it spicy. But anyway, this is Duke's Deals $8 meal, and I will show you the complete plate in just a sec. Here it is. Duke's Deals $8 meal, and it's just beautiful. Don't you think? All right, get into the salsa because we didn't have tomato sauce. And it is just spicy, sweet, has a nice flavor to it. I added the mushrooms at the end and a few breadcrumbs. So it's nice and hearty and just enough. All right, hope you guys are inspired by my cooking videos. Remember, if you cannot cook, do not worry. You can create your own meals and save money. Just take your time and just, ask questions, look at videos. That's how I learned how to cook, and also my mom and dad taught me. So I'm here for you. Check me out, Duke's Deals at James Duke TV. See you next time. Peace.